In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix title not found on Prime Video. So while using the Prime Video, sometimes you can see the message title not found. If you want to fix that problem, first of all, what you can do is simply try checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the mobile data and internet. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, also make sure you're not connected to any VPNs. Sometimes if you're connected to the VPN, you might see this error. After you disconnect from it, your problem will be fixed. If not, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Prime Video app. For that, launch Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Prime Video and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. Now once you do that, tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option Clear Cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. The Prime Video should start working properly and you'll not be able to see that error. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Prime Video and install the latest version of the app. For that, tap on this option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK and it will be uninstalled. Now install the Prime Video application from the Play Store or App Store. After that, you should no longer see that error. If the error still persists, what you can do is simply try creating another profile. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, tap on this option Switch Profiles that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to see the profiles that you've created over here. You can simply try switching the profile, or you can also add new profile by tapping on this option New. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply choose a profile type between adult and kid. Now tap on this option Continue. Now you can simply enter the name over here. Now after you do that, you can tap on this option Save that you can see on the screen. Now after that, new profile will be selected. Now simply try browsing with the new profile and you'll no longer see this error. So that is how you fix title not found on Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.